Hey guys, well, we're gonna work on the sawmill. Uh, I guess this is walnut, so I'm gonna finish slicing this walnut. I gotta put a new blade on, and then I gotta finish this walnut. Then I gotta go up and get the machine and get this honey locust on there and buzzed up. So, already, plus I gotta figure out whoever did this bullshit fucking put these boards down here when they was working on this. uh yeah, I need to get some boards put away today. I need to get this saw milled up, so I'll be busy back here. uh yeah, so I will keep you updated. Hey guys, getting down into this walnut log, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Man, if you guys were standing right here next to me, holy crap, this log smells like walnut. Fresh cut walnut smells really, really nice. So, alrighty, got to finish cutting this, and then I got to go get the machine out of the garage and then put the honey locust on. That's honey locust. Sorry guys, this just fucking broke off and flew down and knocked out of my hands. Well, I'm gonna have to fix all this shit. Hey guys, I'm getting there. Here's the other locust log. That's a good sized log right there. Alrighty. Well, let's start cutting into this one. Oh, and the other honey locust wood came out really good. It's stacked right here. What I'll probably do is I'll probably cut that, cut one board, slide the board off and stack it right here. Cut one a board, stack it here, cut board, stack, stack, you know. Until this is done, and then I'll quit for the day of sawmilling. And then I need to start stacking some wood over there underneath the tree. I'm gonna have to take the walnut. I'm gonna have to take all this honey locust and stick it over there, but I'll use the machine to grab the wood and take it over there and put it underneath the pine tree and stack it and let it air dry. Hey guys, well, I had to put this big old pine up here. See the pine log? Because that locust fell right off the other side. Because I was going to move it out and flip it over and put this on the edge or on the table, and it fucking rolled right over. So we just move on to the next log. So we'll see how this goes. That's a good piece of wide pine. Here's my hand. You can see how wide that board is. Hey guys, all done for the day. I was gonna mill this next piece, but that log, you can see that log is in the way. So tomorrow I'll come back here with a machine and a chain and move these two big chunks right here, take a chain, wrap around it, and pull it out. And then I can finish that pine log. So, alrighty. Well, you guys have a good one, and we will see you tomorrow.